Welcome to our channel. This is FACILE Welding. Today we're introducing this welding machine for 3101 MIG pulse inverter. By press this button, we can have MIG, MMA, lift tick function. Let's move further to each mode to have more details. Firstly is the MIG. Press this button, we can select the welding method CO2 or mixed gas, flux, pulse. There is only 1.0 wire diameter under the pulse. And here it shows different wire diameter from 0.6, 0.8, 0.9 to 1.0. As well as select to work under 12T. For T, or spot working way, we also have wire feeding function. Under adjustable MIG, it's for experienced welder, only need to adjust wire feeding speed and voltage separately. Wire feed speed from 4.2 to 22 min. Voltage from 12 to 25 volts. Under Synergy MIG, we can get the welding job done very easy. When adjust wire feeding speed, the voltage follow to change automatically, pretty smart setting. At the same time, adjust the knob. It also have trim voltage, from -5 to +5 volts. Second is the another simple function, Mama welding, output range from 20 to 200 amps. MMA have adjustable hot start and ARC force, anti-stick, VRD. We can adjust hot start from 0 to 100 amps for better hot start, and ARC force from 0 to 18 amps for better electrode melt. Open anti-stick function by the knob for human safety. We can select to open VOD function as well. Third is the lift tick, non-high frequency tick welding. Output range from 20 to 200 amps. The current can be adjusted by the knob.